Welcome, here I've got Realme X3 SuperZoom and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So let me try to use them to see how it works now. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can easily take a picture. So to change its function we have to go to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to 3 other buttons. From here we have to move to this one button from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see at the first place in the general settings we have the volume button option. So when we pick this we can change it. We can pick from volume, shooter or zoom. So for now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and let me try to use these buttons again. And as you can see now I can easily zoom by using these buttons and get really close to my subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.